What we're gonna do next is we're gonna walk out into the main area that is so iconic. Coming here from the Metro North and check out that ceiling. It's got the constellations up on it: Orion, Sagittarius. I'm gonna get all these wrong, right? Better not expose my lack of knowledge on constellations. Check out that clock. Just a really cool, classic look. Those windows used to have light just pouring in through them before they built all kinds of buildings. They're just surrounding this place and just throughout all of New York. The light would just pour through. It's not just a train station, it's a tourist attraction. Let's see if you can take a look from up high. Wow. So cool. It's a cool deal. Alright, we should probably pay for this, right? Probably shouldn't pop the gate today. Let's take you a little further down into the underground world of New York City. You're headed to the 7 train, passing the 6 train. There it goes, check it out. Zooming on by. Endless tunnels in this city. I feel like it goes miles below ground. I'm probably wrong, but you know, let me know if you actually know the real truth. I try and avoid the actual rush hour because that tunnel is just packed with people, shoulder to shoulder. You can really see the whole world with this thing. It's a whole new ball game, and I'm super excited to use this thing to just showcase a new side of life. Folks, train to train, New York way of life.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Catch you on the next one.